In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Ads conversion tracking from your Shopify store in 2025 so you can track your sales and optimize your ad performance more effectively. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Google Ads account and already logged in with your credentials. Now in here, click the goals, and then as you can see in here, you'll see a create conversion action. So click on that. And then in here, choose website as your conversion store. So you'll need to input your website domain in here. So assumingly we have. So after inputting your conversion domain here or entering your store URL in here, scan your site and then fill out the conversion details. For the category, choose your purchase, and then for the value, use the different values for each conversion. So it's recommended. Then for the count, every, and then click done and then save and continue. And then you'll get two pieces of code. One is global site tag. This needs to go on every page. And then the second one is the event snippet. This should go on the thank you or other confirmation page. So we'll now paste this into Shopify. So um let's over to Shopify. So assuming we have an account in here. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect when you log in here. So once you are on the Shopify admin dashboard, click on the online store and then themes. And then next to your current theme, click actions and then edit code. So open the theme dot liquid file under layout. So paste the global site tag right before the closing tag. So click save. And then after that, go back to Shopify admin and click settings and then check out and then scroll down to the order status page. So in additional scripts, tags, paste the event snippet. So Shopify automatically populates the value using liquid variables. You can modify the snippet like this. So like a script. So just make sure to replace the label of yours with your real tracking number. So click save when done. And then to confirm that everything is working, you can use the Google Tag Assistant or Google Ads Conversion Debugger. So place a test order and then check if the conversion shows up in your Google Ads account after a few hours. So that's it. So you've successfully installed Google Ads conversion tracking in here on your Shopify stores. So tracking conversions helps you understand your return on ad spend and make smarter marketing decisions. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.